Good morning, students. I am Tejinder Singh Sabharwal from ICE College of Hotel Management, and today we are going to learn an important concept related to food science and nutrition: acidity. Acidity plays a major role in cooking, digestion, preservation, and even the flavor of the food we eat. Understanding it helps us maintain good health and prepare better dishes in the hotel and hospitality industry. 1. What is acidity? Acidity refers to the level of acid present in a substance, especially food or the human stomach. In the body, acidity occurs when the stomach produces excess acid, HCl. This acid is necessary for digestion, but when it increases beyond normal levels, it causes discomfort. अम्लता उस मात्रा को दर्शाती है जितनी अम्ल किसी पदार्थ में मौजूद होती है, विशेष रूप से भोजन या हमारे पेट में। शरीर में अम्लता तब होती है जब पेट में अत्यधिक मात्रा में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक अम्ल HCl बनने लगता है। यह अम्ल पाचन के लिए आवश्यक होता है, लेकिन जब इसकी मात्रा सामान्य स्तर से अधिक हो जाती है तो यह जलन, दर्द और असहजता पैदा करता है। 2. Causes of acidity. Students, acidity does not happen suddenly. It has clear causes. Some of the most common ones include eating spicy, oily, or fried food, eating late at night, irregular meal timings, excessive tea, coffee, or aerated drinks, skipping meals, stress and lack of sleep, smoking or alcohol, certain medications. The stomach becomes irritated and produces extra acid, which leads to symptoms. 3. Symptoms of acidity. How do we know someone is suffering from acidity? Common signs are burning sensation in the chest, heartburn, sour taste in the mouth, regurgitation, acid coming up the throat, stomach discomfort, bloating, nausea, feeling of heaviness after meals. These symptoms can disturb daily routine, work, and even sleep. 4. Prevention of acidity. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some effective ways to prevent acidity. Eat small, frequent meals. Avoid lying down immediately after eating. Limit spicy, oily, and junk food. Avoid excess tea, coffee, and cold drinks. Drink plenty of water. Reduce stress through yoga or light exercise. Maintain proper sleep patterns. Include fruits like banana, papaya, and watermelon. Avoid late night meals. Good food habits improve digestion and reduce acid levels. 5. Treatment relief from acidity. If acidity still occurs, immediate relief can be achieved by drinking cold milk, drinking coconut water, taking antacids as prescribed, eating banana, avoiding heavy meals, drinking warm water. Ginger or mint can also soothe the stomach. In severe cases, medical consultation is necessary. 6. Importance of understanding acidity in hotel management. As future hospitality professionals, you must understand acidity because guests may request non-acidic foods. Chefs must balance acidity and alkalinity for taste. Nutrition plays a role in menu planning. Wellness and health-conscious menus are now trending. Staff working long hours must manage their own digestive health. Knowledge of acidity helps in both professional practice and personal well-being. So students, today we learned what acidity is, its causes, symptoms, prevention, treatment, its relevance in the hospitality industry. Understanding acidity helps us in the kitchen, in guest service, and in maintaining our own health. Thanking you, ICE College of Hotel Management.